This is literally like the easiest Valentine's Day eye look ever, and it looks so cute. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So Valentine's Day is coming up, or Galentine's Day if that's what you celebrate. And so I thought it'd be fun to do a fun little eye look. And I kind of got a lot of inspiration on Instagram, like a lot of people have been doing looks like this. And I wanted to try it out myself. So if you want to learn how to do this super easy Valentine's Day eye look, just keep watching. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is apply the little heart sticker to your eye, which yours will probably be better than mine because mine I had to cut out into the shape of a heart, so yours will probably be better. I made this really cute, easy Valentine's Day look using the one palette, which is the Rose Gold Chocolate Bar palette from I Heart Revolution or Makeup Revolution. It's all like the same company. The first shade I used is this light pink right here called Uh-Oh. Just took that on like a fluffy crease brush, and you want to brush it in windshield wiper motions over your eyelid, and you want to make sure you get it around the heart, because on my other eye, this time doing it, I almost didn't get like around the other side of the heart, so it's a little messed up. You want to make sure you brush over the heart. So it might be like out more in the corner than you like, because this is further out in the corner than I'm used to. Then going in with like a flat eyeshadow brush, I took the shade Side Chick, which is this red. It comes off more of a dark pink. And you sort of want to like pack that into the crease. Make it like a little bit messy and high up enough. You want to pack that on. Sorry if you can hear my cat in the background scratching. They're angry because it's almost time to eat and I'm doing this. So, all right, and then you want to blend out that harsh edge right there. And again, make sure you're getting it over the heart sticker. Then just to have like a base, I took the shade Not Yours on this huge eyeshadow brush, and I put it all over my lid. I have something underneath the shimmer shade, which if you're using this exact palette, I definitely recommend you have like a glitter glue for this, because it's more of a glitter and it gets all over my face because I don't have a glitter glue. So I definitely do not recommend using it without a glitter glue, otherwise you're gonna get it all over your face. Or do your eyes first, either way. I don't like to do that, so I don't. Going back into Side Chick, I'm just gonna darken that up some more. So now the part for the glitter glue that you probably need, because it just makes a mess, I'm going to take it on my finger, which is not a great idea, and put it all over my lid. So now I'm going to go in again with Side Chick to kind of like help blend that in and darken it up just a little bit more. As I get like a ton of fallout all over my face. My bad. There's my cat again, if you heard him. They're just apparently starving. And then I'm gonna take my fluffy brush to blend that out. I'm taking this like dense crease brush, I think is what this is called. I'm going to take Side Chick again. The shimmer shade that I use, like the glitter, is called Luxe. I kind of forgot to mention that, I'm sorry. And then I'm just going to run that on my lower lash line and back up. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Uh-Oh and like run that to mix it all in together. Right, now you want to peel off your heart sticker. It's very satisfying when it looks just the way you wanted it to, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to go put on my mascara and I will be right back. Alright guys, that was all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope it was helpful. I know this eye look is super easy and super affordable. I will link all of the rest of my face makeup down below in case you guys are interested in what else is on my face. All of this is drugstore and like affordable makeup. So if you're looking for some cheap stuff for Valentine's Day, cute Valentine's Day eye look and face, I got you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and if you tried it out, don't forget to like show me your pictures on Instagram or something. Like I would love to see if you guys tried this eye look. I post videos every Saturday, and I will see you guys next Saturday.